Welcome to Car Showcase. Get ready, because the 2026 Volkswagen California Camper van is here to take road trips and van life to a whole new level. This is not just a van, it's a home on wheels, built for adventure, comfort, and total freedom. For decades, the Volkswagen California has been the ultimate symbol of exploration. And now, with the 2026 model, Volkswagen has completely reimagined what a modern camper van can be. From the very first glance, you'll notice how sleek and modern this van looks. The bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and clean aerodynamic lines make it stand out on the road. And with sliding doors on both sides, it's incredibly practical and easy to access. But the real magic happens when you pop the roof. Inside just seconds, this van transforms into a two-story living space, giving you plenty of room to relax, sleep, and enjoy your travels wherever the road takes you. Inside, Volkswagen has gone all out to make this camper as functional and comfortable as possible. The interior is packed with smart, modular features, fold-flat seats, hidden storage compartments, and a fully equipped rear kitchen. Whether you're making coffee on a quiet morning by the lake or cooking dinner after a long drive, everything you need is right there. Plus, the digital cockpit and large infotainment screen keep you connected, while premium materials make it feel like a true home away from home. Under the hood, the 2026 California is expected to offer a range of powertrain options, including a plug-in hybrid model that gives you efficiency and power for all kinds of adventures. And with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, this camper van is incredibly safe and easy to drive, even if you've never driven a van before. By day, it's the perfect family vehicle for errands or weekend outings. By night, it becomes a cozy camper that can sleep up to 4 people comfortably. And for those who love going completely off-grid, Volkswagen will even offer options like built-in solar panels and all-wheel drive, so you can take this van anywhere, from sandy beaches to remote mountain trails. The 2026 Volkswagen California Camper van is set to hit the market in late summer 2025, with Europe getting it first before it rolls out to other regions, including the US. The expected starting price is around $65,000, but with premium features and upgrades, it could go up to $80,000. If you've ever dreamed of a life filled with travel, freedom, and adventure, the new California might just be the perfect vehicle to make it happen. With its bold design, smart technology, and incredible versatility, Volkswagen has created a camper van that's ready for anything. So, what do you think about the 2026 California? Would you take it on your next big adventure? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more first looks at the hottest upcoming vehicles.